everyone, I'm already here in my farm together with my farm chicken, and I'm selling it for you for a very affordable price. Oh, look at them. Look at them, look all of them. So I have all of them in different kinds of colors. All you need to do is just to choose. Come on, my baby chicken. Oh. Oh no, there you go, all of them. We are using, of course, this multivitamins, minerals and amino acid for your chicken to become very strong. Right after, there's a big one, the small one, and they are eating here in my farm. So there you go. I have a bear. Oh, look at this. They are really wanted to have a lot of foods. Oh, they're biting everyone. Oh, look at them. Oh, I have it. And you know what it is? Nowadays that we have this pandemic, we should always find ways to have a lot of business. So this is one of the big business that I can sell to you. Of having a lot of chicken. Oh, there you go. So we will talk to one of the chicken. How are you, chicken? Come on, Blackie. Where are you? Where are you going, Blackie? So we have two Blackie chicken. We have Brownie. We have also all of them have their own children, because I believe that the children has our future, and teach them well will always lead the way. Oh, look at them. Hello, how are you? How are you, chicken? Oh my god, all of them are always here, and I will go to one of their nests, because I believe that there is a mother chicken who lay eggs here. Oh my god, this is a very, very wonderful place for all the chicken. And I told you I have a lot more in our cage. I want you to see this. Oh, there you go. Also here. All of these chicken are very strong, and because of faster growth and strong bones and muscle development and strong immune system and high productivity, because of King's Vita Plus animal feed supplement. So I can recommend it to all of you. You can buy it. You can buy it, of course, in your in hardware. Not in hardware, in an agri-vet store. So all of them are no more diseases and no more bacteria in hardware. They are eating also cellophane. Oh, they are eating cellophane. They're eating cellophane right now. Come on, chicken, what are you doing in there? Don't forget to always look at your brothers and sisters, because there's a lot of big snake here. This is what we call King's Vita Plus animal feed supplement.